Starting day. Starting day 3 in Corpus Christi, Texas. Today I'm going to go to the Corpus Christi branch of Mission of Mercy. We're gonna be setting up some SD switches, some balance routers, some wireless access points, some 3CX phone system stuff, and I'm really excited about today. It's gonna be my first eventful day of this trip. Yesterday was 12 hours of driving, so get up in the morning. I did some great bodacious brew in Pensacola, which is an awesome place to eat if you're ever in Pensacola, and then drove for 12 hours. And then today I get to actually install some switches and start using the truck for what it's for, which is delivering switches to a customer. So I'm driving on this side road, and I want to try to capture this appropriately. So I'm driving on this road, it's 45 miles an hour. I'm in the center of Corpus Christi, Texas, and I'm gonna merge onto the interstate. And when I merge onto the interstate, it sits between, so here's the, northbound or whatever bound that is, and then here's on the other side of this road is the southbound. And now that I'm on the interstate, it's 75 miles an hour. So I'm pulling up to my first job on the Conquer the Switch tour. This is the new Mission of Mercy building. Super excited. I say that a lot, I apologize. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's beautiful. It's a 2-story medical center that's going to provide medical services to Corpus Christi, Texas. So let's get started. So I'm here at Mission of Mercy, and there's my little data center room. It's the top floor of the building, and I was just told that the internet cannot be installed for another week. So it looks like what I'm gonna do is get everything wired up, and I'm gonna put my HD4 with some Verizon internet. So I get to demo my HD4 case live, and that is just cool. Base created a Wi-Fi network for him and let their entire company get back online. The single APO enterprise covers this entire facility. I can go upstairs and even connect to it. Construction company back online. Yeah. All those beautiful Peplink switches. HA 305 configuration here. And so they have in the corner of all the buildings, I think right over there, they have drops for the wireless. So we've got our 8 wireless access points in that box there. And I've got to patch all the cables. So there's 24, A1 to 24, and then 25 to 48. So I'm gonna make a corresponding here. So this one will go here, this one will go here, and then patch it across. This was the ceiling mounted units, and so those will just be mounted. Those will run right there. And then we have the internet, and so they're gonna have 2 300 meg internet connections plugged in here, and so these will go to two of the switches here for redundancy. And so, but yeah, yay. So I've got all the patch cables patched in. I'm gonna do 10 gigabit SFP from switch to switch so that we can have fast inter-switch connectivity, and then we're gonna connect them up to the balanced 305s and HA. SpeedFusion repair on the fly. One of my users found out that I was here in Corpus Christi, Texas, and stopped by and told me their HD2 was bad. I
booted it up, and working great. Just needed a new power supply. So, SpeedFusion, Conquer the Switch Tour, and H22 Repair Tech. So far, great day. Got all the Peplink switches installed, got the Balance 305s installed, and driving back to the hotel, go for a quick run, then I'm gonna go work at Starbucks for a couple hours to catch up on my daily emails. Had to run over to a place called Alltech. Got some UPSs and some fiber switch cables to connect the switches together. And then, so tomorrow I'm gonna install the UPSs, install the fiber connectors for the switches, install the wireless access points, and the whole network should at that point be live. Then all we're doing is waiting for Spectrum to install their internet. So I'm gonna put a transit duo there temporarily, so they have working internet and they can play around with the network until I get back on Thursday. And then tomorrow night, I'm heading down to Miami for a trade show with another partner, and then I'll be back to continue the tour on Thursday.